Nice shot of the river there. So what we're doing today is gotta install some dampers. Dampers started failing on the system, and he just took them out and dealt with it. But then he started a project. He started a project on that side of the house, and he couldn't take it anymore. So he had taken that damper out. That damper's wasted. That damper's wasted. That goes over there. And I got two round retrofit dampers that I'm going to replace too. I told him, I go, if I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it all at once. There's no, let's do one now and do one later, because it don't make sense. So that one's disconnected. I'll replace that one. Gotta throw one in here. The wire's there. Oh no, that might be a problem. I got two wire there. I'm gonna have to run new wire. Power open, power close. What are these? Yeah, these are power open, power close. I should have one 3-wire. And I don't. Power close. So originally these were spring open. So I'm gonna have to run new wire for that damper over there and that damper right there. These other dampers, 3-wire. 3-wire. Okay, so I'll just have to run 2 new wires. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. But you got to be careful. Some panels don't have power open, power close, so you got to be careful. So I only have 2 zones. Oh, that wire's loose. Okay. So let me... This isn't the best setup at all. Power close. Yeah, I didn't see that. PC/SO. So power close, spring open. Tape job. Tape job. Holy crap. Let me get this off of here. Well, that's one end. Just gotta screw it down and we're good. There we go. That's cool. Where's this other one? It's over here somewhere. Let me get that one open. I'll slide the other one in. Alright, so got that opened up. that hit hard. You guys okay? Damn, that hit hard. Stay over there. Jeez, oh, peace. What are you guys doing? Falling all over like drunks. I'm telling you, this is not the way to do zoning. But I ain't reinventing the wheel neither. Because someone's stupid. Worked before, it'll work again. Because honestly, it needs a bypass. But he didn't want to spend the money to do everything. So this is where we're at with it. Alright, so this is what we're putting in. I think this is a Honeywell. These are slick retrofit damper RRD6. I like them. So, wall's already there. You can tell who is here. And there's crap falling everywhere. Fenders. So I'm going to stick that up there and screw it. I'm going to do the same thing over there. Alright, I got my other ones hooked up. It's just through, I don't know how many tech support calls I had to field. Different guys calling me. I'll finally get this one hooked up. So this is power open, power closed. And I got my wires hooked up in my zone panel already. I had to run new wire because I only had 2 wire over here. And I'm going to pick my wires. Leave the extra ones just in case you need them. So this one's common. 4 is power open and 5 is power closed. So I used red as a common. Green is power open and blue is power closed. So I'll get that one there and I'll lift you up here and show you the terminals. Green I usually use for, I think green is go, you know, give you the green light. So I always use that for usually you can see there. All right. give her a tape job. Give her a tape job. That's pretty tight there. Okay. Like I said, this is not the best setup at all. Not. So I had to join this zone I just put on is associated with the other dampers. The other two 6-inch rounds, so I had to double up there. Here's my other damper over there, the first one I put in. And I gotta go throw some thermostats on the wall, and then I can get this thing up and running. Alright, everything's hooked up. I got thermostat over there calling. Let's see what happens. This one's shutting. That's right. This one's shutting. And this one should shut over here too. And it is. So it says it's closed, which is right. This one's not as fancy, but this one's closing. This one's closing. And this one says open. So we're hooked up right. Those small dampers take forever. Furnace firing. Okay, we're good to go. Well, that took me, I don't know, between the 4 dampers, 2 thermostats, making sure everything runs right. That took me, I don't know, 2.5 hours, 2 hours, plus a bunch of phone calls, you know, from everyone under the sun. So we got that taken care of. As you can see, 1 hour's crap was all over there. Geez, oh Pete's, 1 hour zone panel, 1 hour humidifier. Oh God. We had a 1 hour heating and cooling up here, but they either, I don't know what happened. I don't know if the guy retired, company went under, or the company got bought. I don't know. Not sure. But they no longer exist up here, so the guy's like, you know, who do I call? So he calls us. I get it. So I had to go out there and, you know, get everything set for him, because he had no one to call, and he just, you know, stuff started failing, and he just started taking it out, you know, because it wasn't working. And basically, the two large zone dampers, the 20x8s, they weren't working at all, and the 2 other zones were, well, the 2 other zone dampers were, but that was only 2 registers, so it didn't make sense. So we got that all taken care of. He was happy. It works perfect. Better equipment, you know, those are EWCs and Honeywells. But those Honeywells retrofit dampers are pretty cool. I like them. I might even zone damper my house. That would be interesting because my basement's always cold. So that's it for this one. That was a quick zone damper change, and you guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.